Welcome to another episode in the Getting Up and Running series with Cassava. I'm your host, Michael Seeley, and in today's episode, we will explore the onboarding demo. Whenever you're tasked with learning something new, the obvious question becomes, where should I begin? And my answer to that is begin at the end. What do I mean by that? The onboarding demo allows you to experience Cassava by using Cassava. It is a smart alternative to reading boring documentation. In this demo, you are the audience and you get to experience Cassava firsthand, just like your audiences will when you publish your own training module. Let's take a look at the onboarding demo. Here we are back in Cassava, and we see the option to publish the demo. This option is available whenever you register as a new tenant. So let's go ahead and publish the demo to your Slack account. So we hit publish, and there you go. The demo has been published and it will be delivered to your Slack workspace over the coming days. Let's see what this looks like from the point of view of a user in Slack. Here we are back in Slack. And you can see that we've just received a welcome message from Cassava telling us all about this upcoming demo. The demo runs from tomorrow through Friday, and it gives us an understanding of how Cassava works by actually engaging with Cassava. Let's look at some of the things that we're going to learn. We're going to learn how Cassava creates content, allows you to build an audience, allows you to preview your training module, allows you to set access rights and even collaborate with other users, and shows you how you can engage and see insights. Now let's dive into one of these disciplines. And here you go. This interaction is the same type of interaction that your own audience members will experience with the training modules that you publish. And this is the point about the onboarding demo. It allows you to quickly experience how Cassava works. Now, this onboarding demo is being previewed here in Slack, but equally it applies to Microsoft Teams, to WebEx, and to email. So let's take a look at what that looks like in some of those other channels. Here we are in Microsoft Teams, and you can see what the onboarding demo looks like. Actually, it looks very similar to what you saw in Slack. The advantage of this particular demo is that this one has already completed. So let's see what the user saw over the course of the demo. So on the first day, they would have received information on the principle of content creation. On day 2, they will receive information on distribution profiles and other types of principles. And we see that this trend follows all the way through to the end of the actual demo on day 5. Each round contains a very rich interactive message with attachments, with buttons for engagement, and the ability to see different principles. So let's take a look at what the collaboration one looked like. Give that a second to refresh, and there you go. More information for the user to experience in this particular round of the demo. And once again, this gives you an idea of how your own audience will interact with your experience. Here we are in WebEx, and you can see that the onboarding demo looks very similar to what we saw before in Slack and Microsoft Teams. And this is one of the big advantages of Cassava. As the author of a training module, you create your content once and deliver it to audience members across one or more channels with little to no changes on your part. Cassava takes care of all of the heavy lifting on your behalf. And there you have it, the onboarding demo in Cassava. The purpose of this demo is to help you get up and running quickly in Cassava by experiencing firsthand how Cassava works. Also, it allows you to see how your own audience members will ultimately experience the training modules that you create with Cassava. Well, until next time, when we will explore content creation. Have a great day, as always.